I'm Bella and I'm going to show my flat. I've been living here for almost a year, no, actually a year, and it's time to say goodbye and move on. So I'm recording now how my flat is. It's close to downtown in Helsinki. It's like, I don't know, by bike is like 30 minutes. And there is 2 train stations close by. There's many buses. There's a big forest just in front of here. Many markets. It's a nice neighborhood. Like all neighborhoods around, they always have, like, of course, people drinking around in the woods and stuff like that. But well, it was cool to live here, and now I gotta move on and live someone else in Finland. So new adventures for me and Daisy. I will show the flat. It's really small. I think it's 26 square meters. In Finnish it's called yksiö, which means that it's like there is no division between room, kitchen, living room, whatever. Well, you will see. And I'm in my hall. As you can see, it's this big. My hall, it's like the entrance is already here. The door is here. I have some cabinets that I can show like how much space I have here. So okay, let's see the apartment. This is the front door. There, if you watch the channel, there is this mirror here with some pictures and stuff that I have to put down. So I have 4 doors here and 4 up there. They are not like huge. There's like jackets and Daisy stuff. There's this one. Hey, what did I drop? This. It's like normal, average. Like there's some of my cleaning stuff, and makeup and jackets and beanies and my shoes. Then just like by the door, there's the other door here, and this other door is the toilet already. And as you can see, you already can see my whole flat in the back, but I'll show just in a second. My toilet is tiny. There is just space for the vase, shower, mirror, and a cabinet with my stuff as well. There is the washing machine that doesn't belong to me, so it will stay here when I move out. And I needed more space, so I put this in here. Okay, so this will be the fastest video I ever done, like showing my place, but okay, so this is a view from my whole flat. This is where I live. As you can see, this is where I live. So behind me there is the fridge. Microwave. Fridge belongs normally to the apartment. Microwave I got on the trash as well, and works just fine. Then these are the cabinets that I have for this area. So I have like Daisy stuff in here, like food. Then I have my shit here. All my clothes are here in this space and on that hanger. Then in here I have medicines and stuff. Up there I have towels and bed sheets, whatever. Here you might be questioning yourself. Okay, so we were just here. And here is my kitchen. So kitchen, the Finnish kitchen normally has this thing for you to do bread and stuff in the morning. And when you close, so everybody always like tend to open the first one and think that has the like I was about to speak Portuguese. That had like forks and stuff, but no, this is the place. I mean, it's so small compared to the previous. There is a video here on the channel where I show my previous apartment when I was still in a relationship, so it's like a bigger apartment. I had a bed, but I put it away. Now I put the bed on the floor. South Korea life. No way. It's my bed, but as you can see, there's someone enjoying the sun. Right? What you doing? What you doing? Is it warm? Bah! Look at this. And the shelves also belong to the apartment. And then there is my stuff, my bookshelf, mirror, bed just by side. TV also I found in the trash. Then I have my typing machine, vinyl player, collectibles. My window here. And normally, if it's like a yksiö, like a flat, this is the end. But this apartment has a plus. And this plus is a tiny balcony. Like, not so tiny, but it's a balcony. Oh my god, this is spring and it's great. So outside my apartment, I have a balcony where I put this. Daisy likes to come here and you will see what she does. Yeah. She normally puts her head off and be watching outside. It will be good to keep in memory everything that's been through here. Some fun stuff happened, some weird stuff happened, and it's time to continue. And next step, let's see. So probably when this video is up I already moved away, so don't try to find me. We see then. Let on the comments what did you thought, what are your thoughts about Finnish apartments, and that's it. We'll talk soon.
Choose your fighter.